नमस्कार एंड वेलकम टू चाय चैट अगैन। आज हम बात कर रहे हैं भारतीयों के इन्फ्लुएंस की यूके में, और हमारे साथ जाते वक्त हमें अमित जी ने कहा, जो डेंटिस्ट भी हैं, डॉक्टर साहब ने, कि ये इन्फ्लुएंस अभी है तो, लेकिन मज़ा नहीं आया अभी। हाँ, क्यों?
Last week we had the Diwali celebrations hosted by the Honorable Prime Minister David Cameron at Number 10, and we had the privilege to attend it. And he, in his speech, actually said, acknowledged the great contribution the Hindu community has made. But he also expressed that he'd like to see more. He'd like to see more of them in the House of Lords, more of them in the House of Commons, more of them in the judiciary. So he'd like to see more representation across the society.
Across, so we are not coming forward. हम business में लगे हुए हैं, गोयल साहब, business में busy हैं, power में नहीं आ रहे, हाँ? We'll get to that.
I guess you can't do everything. We are busy creating employment, innovating in terms of our care homes, the very forefront. We're also busy with our charity work with the Hemraj Goel Foundation. It's I think now for our children to be starting to go into politics and start to take those influential positions. I think.
Yes,
really
absolutely. Now. Mona, you wanted to. Then I'll come to Lord Desai about politics. And why are we not coming very much? Yes, Mona, you tell me.
The rich culture we come from background, the rich and the curry, the food has made a big impact. If my daughter goes to school and I see a deep regard among the school, the teachers know everything, what a culture is, have a strong belief in it and respect us for that.
Very good. Now my next question to everybody, and anybody can take this. क्या है वो अगला कदम जो हमें लेना है? That will take us to the next level. What should we Indians do? Yes.
Activeness in politics, right from the school, governorship, then councils and MPs.
Go, you can
Yeah,
say
and
that.
I think we need to do a lot more in terms of the charities. I think as British Asians we've done so well in business and financially, and I think it's now time to give back, both here and abroad, and to volunteer, do voluntary work, get our children involved. I think that's really critical, which is why we set up the Hemraj Goel Foundation to really make an impact on our children and the work that they will do as well. So I think we've got to do more of that as well.
So more community, society work and more in politics. Lord Desai.
But what Hari Bhai said is very important. A lot of people here, the majority community, do a lot of voluntary work. You know, they're either on prison visiting thing or school governorships, or they help out voluntarily with lots of charities. And we just have to get into that habit of doing things. We often do it, but we do it within our community itself. But we get to do it larger.
Everyone is a British passport holder?
How many people?
Is everyone a British passport holder? Can you sing God Save the Queen? Can you sing God Save the Queen? Go on. That's it?
No. Let her be glorious, happy and glorious.
Oh, you won it!
He got it everything.
So yes, he got everything. He got Sanatan Mandir, won it.
I had one half a sentence.
Well done! Well done! I think this is what we need to increase our influence as well, isn't it? To be an integrated part of the society. Do we feel belonged?
Yes. Yes.
We all agree? Do we belong to Britain or we belong more to India?
Can I say one thing? The country, your country is not where you were born. Your country is where your children are born.
Ah, beautiful. Lovely. Thank you very much, everybody. Oh, you wanted to say something, Sunny. Go on quickly. Sorry, Sunny.
Sorry, no, sorry.
Yeah.
आप सबके विचार सुने यहाँ पर, बड़ा अच्छा लगा। पर पंजाबी में गाना है गुरदास मान का, लाख परदेसी होइए अपना मुल्क नहीं भुल्लीदा, जेड़े मुल्क च रहिए उदा बुरा नहीं मंगीदा। So that's what I would to say. We have got a lot of from this country, and we respect our country also. This is
गाना गा दो अब, गा दो.
लख परदेसी होइए अपना देश नहीं पंडीदा, जेड़े मुल्क दा खाइए उसदा बुरा नहीं मंगीदा, लख परदेसी होइए अपना देश नहीं पंडीदा. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
वाह बढ़िया, थैंक यू. छक्का मारा एंड में. I think the whole point is that yes, we belong to India, we have come from there, but that country is our motherland, this country is our work land and now our homeland. So we respect both the places, and that's what we all do feel belonged to this country as much as we feel our roots are in India. Thank you very much for joining on Chai Chat today. We will see you next week with another sizzling episode of Chai Chat. आप हमारे साथ बने रहिए. Thank you for watching. God bless. Take care.